Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to today's program. Welcome to Adadiche Blog TV. You are watching me for YouTube, Facebook. You are highly welcome. Guys, I'm in live in Facebook and YouTube. So today we are going to be talking about Yul Edochie, Judy Austin, and me marriage saga. You are highly welcome. So today I'm going to be talking about because there is a video I made where somebody commented and said, why is it that they continue dragging Judy Austin in social media? Is it the only person that have snatched somebody's husband? Is it the only person who don't collect somebody's husband? Is it the only person who don't marry a second wife or third wife? Say many of them they say even give example for with some of the people they give example with which I will not be mentioning them. I can mention their name anyway. So some people make a comment and said, even what about Regina Daniel, we don't marry, will be for 50 wives or 60 wives. So say, what of the Mercy Johnson, we don't marry somebody's husband? What of about the many people they mentioned their names in social media? But I'm going to be explaining why those people are not yet be dragging and why Judy Austin will be continue be dragging until she confesses or she say what she know, because too much everything is bad. Yes, too much everything is bad. So if you do things past the way we're supposed to do them, people will be thinking otherwise and people will be asking question what is happening. Do you understand me? So that is the question a lot of people are answering today about what is going on, because Judy Austin, the way we take come into social media, the way we take this matter of marriage, it make people we go no go finish the drag am. Like me, I always said I don't like to put my mouth for any things where they happen for so unless the way when my spirit says should talk. So you also need to be talk sense to her heads or brain. Because a lot of people have been talking past 2 years plus, not 3 years, and they feel that it is right. I hope it is touching her right now because I can see that she cannot even cope up with a lot of things that are happening in her life. Social media is not your bet, and polygamy is not your mate. For those of you that are watching me, you guys know what I teach in this platform about marriage and other things. Things that are going on in social media. If I get time, I like it, I bring it to you to know what is happening. So just us in matter, it will never stop. I will tell on a reason why it's not going to stop unless she does this. I'm going to be saying now. Unless she does this, I'm going to be telling you what you're supposed to do so that so that she herself will be free, because she's not free. Your also is not free. It's only men that is free, and she must be free forever because she is innocent of all the accusation for everything. So Jude Austin will continue be dragging in social media. He get why, he get reason. So make I show na the reason why. I will show na the reason. I will still tell on why Jude Austin will be continue be dragging in social media. Number one reason is this. Watch this video. Watch this video very well. After May have secured the this awards that travel may go for this Doha. Recently, some days ago, you guys know what is trending in social media about me. So, apart past 5 days, Judge Austin Ayo did not post, because whenever May, God blessed her and she acquired something good, you see them, they will they will keep calm. Immediately they see that that thing is coming down, like 2 3 days, the thing have take place, they will not come with their style of dancing and singing. So this video, you posted this video yesterday. The after may have acquired her her awards. They have given her awards. He posted this showcasing also another pregnancy. This one is like third one because he have already One is the one that he announced to the whole world that bring all this commotion. And second one, the one that he have last year, I think last year. So he posted this video. This is the reason why he said this saga will not stop. You know, this is one of the reasons why Jude Austin, your and May matter will never stop. Unless Jesus tell us what you know about what is happening to you. Because you have something to tell the whole world. You have confession to make. Because if you don't have confession to make, it will not tell me that this man, full grown-up man, married man, over 20-something years married to me, and have a grown-up children. Daniela is there, and other ones. Despite that, the one that died last time, 2 years ago, earlier last year. See? So this man will come in social media, start dancing and celebrating and jubilating, even when the time when he became die. That is the worst thing you did that make everybody keep talking. So this is the reason why this video, these things you see your and Jude Austin is doing online is the one of the reason why this saga will never stop. This marriage crisis, this your marriage crisis will never stop. So this is the reason why it will not stop. Number one, I have a 1 or 2, 3 reasons why it's not going to stop. So you get why, because of this, it's not going to stop. Because it will not tell me that this saga of marriage, Yul Edochie and Jude Austin, is going to stop, whereby you keep on flirting with Jude Austin, his aside chick. Yes, I call her aside chick because the father have come to public and tell us that he don't know anything, nothing about Jude Austin marrying his son. He don't know anything about Jude Austin marrying his son. And everybody saw it in social media, not me talking, not Adadiche talking. Now the papa of Yon now let us know that he just woke up one morning and saw his son say that he have taken second wife. Everybody's noticed it. I'm not the one. Do you get me? So this is the reason why it will not stop. Inside Jude Austin, now you don't believe that you don't carry, you don't marry. You don't marry fine boy. You don't marry you don't get your. They do all this to pepper man. Who you are peppering is not seeing you. The woman is not seeing you. You have moved forward. So this is the reason why that is the reason why it will not stop. If they keep on coming online, whenever may have achieved something, coming online, try to please themselves or please their fans and do as if things are good. Look at how papa, grown-up children, they are seeing this man. These children are seeing what your is doing with another woman in public. Your is well known, and you know very well. People know your. Where is well known? Is an actor, which everybody respects long time ago, if I'm not mistaken. Before he got himself into this matter. Happy New Week, my dear. Before he gets himself into this mess, let me call it mess because it's mess. Because the way the way things are going is really mess. Do you understand me? So it's really mess. So before he gets himself into this place, even if as he gets himself into this place, I remember a lot of people, all those that are actors and actors, most of them married, second, third husband, third wife, this, that, and they still maintain their lane. I remember olden days, even some times ago, not now. If somebody marries somebody's husband, I believe that the person have to hide his or her face. But this time around, you see what our people are doing? If you carry somebody's husband, it's you that carry somebody's husband. It's you that will still come social media, start ranting and dancing and doing all kinds of things in order to pepper the first wife. Who does that? Who does that? So this is reason why this thing is not going to stop. It can never stop. The drama continues unless you and Judy Austin stop all this rubbish. Because you stop all this, you see, some people are doing something because they believe that this is their time to shine. It's their time to do things they feel that it is good for them. But you forget that your time will pass tomorrow, you will enter another person's time. Your part time will pass tomorrow, you enter another person's time. So children are watching, your family are watching, all the people, your friends are watching, everybody are watching, and they believing that it is your time to shine. But they don't forget that this your time, there will be time of old age. Old age will come when you start asking yourself, what did I do to myself? So this is the reason why the saga cannot stop. You keep on continue. If Judy Austin and you did not stop this drama and face their life. Yes, some people will say, why am I making this? Why am I making this video? It's because I make a video whereby I say something, I'll be congratulating me, jubilating with her because I'm one of his fans. So I have to rejoice when she is happy. Just we want to see her happy. We don't want to see her crying because that was yours and Judy Austin's plan for the woman to be in pain. So nobody will support her. But God so kind, turn everything around for her good. God so kind, turn everything around for her good. Now you can see that you and Judy Austin is the one that is in pains. Because you cannot tell me that somebody that have senses, have his right senses, can come out in social media all the time on the name of I'm marrying you, or the name of we are husband and wife, and start doing all this rubbish. Now, this is like third. She's pregnant a year. If you're not faking, or if they just want to use it to prepare, because you can see that she's also another third pregnancy she's carrying. This video, he put it yesterday because after he has seen me celebrating, people are celebrating me for her new award. Now they can come out, begin the yam as they used to yam. You can see it. So tell me how the saga, how the matter will finish in internet space if you and Judy Austin did not stop feeling that they are peppering me. You are doing something that it never benefits you for one day, never give you joy. What you are doing is not giving you joy. You are just pretending, which everybody know. Then you are pretending to feeling that you want to make your first wife be to be sad, seeing you with your mistress or seeing with your side chick, because you still continue your side chick. Because what we hear and what we hear in social media, say you go to court and they deny her. That is not your wife. You guys are doing shit or whatever in social media. You never agree that Judy Austin is your wife. So why, since it's not your wife, you guys are now reached to this thing that you come to public, you start kissing, and they say it's not your wife. Anyway, somebody can kiss somebody that is not his own wife. It doesn't matter, depending on the person. So tell me, how can on earth this matter end? Why you're still on this errand with Judy Austin? Come to think of it, you don't even remember that you have children with men. You don't remember that. You see, this is why I talk about marriage. Tell people, if you want to marry, if there is no understanding, if there is no tolerance, if there is no understanding in that marriage, forget it. If you guys cannot understand each other, forget it. And remember, sometimes it's not if you understand that person, sometimes remember that when you married, make sure that you stay with your wife or your husband. Because by the day you try to say, let me go and try another woman, that is the day you finish your dignity, everything about you as husband or wife have finished. One especially women, men that believe in if he come to Africa, say Igbo people, this, that, he can marry 1 million. I ask you question. You that have married or your father, your great-grandfather that married millions of wives, how about the family? I will tell you, my grandfather from my maternal home married 7 wives. If you go there, commotion upon commotion. One thing he will use to take care of one wife with the children, give them a better life. He married millions of wives, share them into millions of wives and children. You see commotion, a lot of things. And when they start having children, they will have different kind of children. Some will have good ones, some will have bad ones. So this is what they see on polygamy family. Polygamy family is not something, is not my mind, is not something that you will indulge yourself in the name of that you want to prove that you are a man. It's not by having polygamy, marrying 100 million wives means that you are a man. You are a man enough to take care of. Some people would come to comment section, is man enough to take care of? What is that? Is it a crime? It's a crime. So I saw one video that one man was talking bra bra bra. He says he's a doctor. I will bring that video too. Make wanna see. So also all these things, this married woman coming. How many married men that have a side chick or that have a side chick or that married second 100 wife come into social media, start to do this thing you and Jude Austin is doing. So tell me, if you're a woman watching this thing and you are supporting Jude Austin and what they are doing, that meaning that if your husband did not do it for you, your daughters will inherit it. Yes, because daughter of Jude Austin and children, all of them will inherit this. Their mother is doing to another woman. They will inherit it because why they will inherit it? They are watching their mother ravishing their destroying their names, and they cannot talk. Even go to social media or chat, say, I know they support my mama, or this is what they do. I know support them. And they say don't get grown-up children. You forget that you will be just also picking or you're picking. All these things will affect these children tomorrow. They don't think about this. What they think is about their time now. They are ranting and dancing and jubilating inside social media. We say, you know, that you don't have peace. Look at what a married man is doing in social media with a side chick. Because people are demanding that you guys don't kiss. Now you start kissing. Somebody that have grown-up children at home. Your children are watching you. Men children are watching you. Look at what you are doing. Your children are watching you. And you are coming into social media. You will be kissing your side chick, which the one is denied in the court, that you are not married her yet. And you are coming to social media, you are kissing. Look at what married man is doing in social media. Try to believe that he's peppering the first wife. The first wife we are peppering is not saying you. The woman have moved on. Have moved on and be achieving what you know how to achieve. Showing the whole world who is she. Look at. So he's just come out yesterday showing us another third belly that you don't get another third belly. It's not a new thing now. Many people they get belly by God's grace. But it's really not this way. So I made video. Somebody has saying, why make gonna leave just us alone? Why all every time? Because me, I know they talk about them anymore for long. If you watch my videos on my channel on my pages, you will see that I don't talk about them. Most video I carry is Evangelist Eboko video. Because that is what gives me joy when I hear the word of God or when he's preaching and teaching. It gives me joy. I learn a lot from there. I don't carry much video of these people because their video, their thing doesn't irritate me. But why I'm saying this is that because of the comments I got in my comment section, because of the people are talking, why must even some video I posted because of them in my page, I deleted it because what they are doing is very, very irritating. So if you are marrying a wife, please, when you marry. Stop going outside because you never know the one that you go and choke your dick inside that hole, and it will not come out again. This is exactly what happened to you. He still apologized to his wife, say he no bargain this thing, but he don't make me forgive him. Now like this, he want to forgive you. When we say your pikin die, not quite 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you just come social media begin. The same woman, this woman, the same they look at, is kissing. Look at person papa, where get grown up children. So how many married men where get 2, 3 wives, where they come inside social media, begin they do this way you or they do. Now what we go ask ourselves for those people where they support evil. How many that married men in that country, Nigeria, where they come outside, where they do this kind of thing, where Jesus and you is doing? People go begin to talk against men. Why are you people talking against that woman? Now, so I go to talk blah blah blah. When they go, they do preach, they do what they call say now. I'm go say boke. And so they talk, man. This is the 2 people I cannot joke with. The 2 people that always do what my spirit welcomes. They do good thing. That is why I'm celebrating them. That is why you see me carrying their videos and doing my own video as well. Look at person papa. If Daniela and his brother, as our brother, are seeing all these things, they are seeing all these things, just tell me, what do you think that your children will be in pain? Not only their mother, they will be, if I thought that you marry, they come and ask to us and carry to just go in. They do your video, they do your content, stop doing all this kind of matter of acting. All this kind of rubbish. I don't think that people will keep on talking. By this time, on a matter for don't pass. But when I believe that when I take they make money, when I post or engage, look at this video now, it carry almost 7,930,000 for comments. And this comment, you will not see any single positive comment on this 7,900, not nearly to 8,000 comments. You will never see any positive comments. All of them is curse. All of them is talk, curse. How can on earth you tell me that all this is not reaching you? You are enjoying it because you are cruising with engagement on your pages and channel and all the rest. You believe that you end like that. You don't remember I don't think you and Jit Austin are remembering old age. I don't think that they think about on our old age. Should be on our old age, on they see this video. Inside on our mind now. At least on know what they do. Abi. The day where you are going to know what they do. You go say, no be they do this. When they show them all this video, you go say, not me, now person will resemble me, now I do this, not be me. Because it will happen. You just need to tell the world and confess what is going on. Yes, you need to confess and tell them what is going on. Because you will not tell me that a grown-up man like this, adults, that have grown-up children, they come inside social media all the time when you see saying first wife, don't achieved endorsement. Or God don't finally bless them. That is when you see us and you're coming out dancing and jubilating as if they are they are okay. All this what I call it is depression, is disturbing these people. Okay, that is number 1. Why this thing will not stop? Keep on kissing him in public. So it show us the belly. Say it don't get that belly. Now the showcase it can show us. But no problem. Keep on getting the belly and burning. No problem. Picking na picking. Nwa nwa. Keep on roaming. Just being in that place. So another one. Some people say, why is he Jude Austin all the time? People ask, why Jude Austin case come turn to waiting all the Nigerians, bloggers that they talk about, they don't want to stop her. So another reason, number one, why Jude Austin be dragged and they must say something about what they are dragging him for up. Because I remember last time, Stella Martin in Jude Austin Bestie before, former Bestie, he have come out and continue saying it. And Stella Martins have something to tell the world as well concerning this matter. That is why I saw Queen Nation could write something and say they're still watching Stella Martin until they come and tell them what you know about what Jude Austin did, according to them. Because I'm not there. I cannot say what I don't know. So, second reason why this dragging of Jude Austin will not end is the second reason is if Jude Austin did not come out in social media, begin they do this, this will never be like this. Because of that, it's less busy and the matter of behavior. He come out, they do this, it will not stop. Yes, she is not only person that have snatched somebody's husband, but look at the name snatched. Is it a good thing? Is it a good thing to a lady, a woman, that your first marriage did not work, your second marriage did not work, that's third one or fourth, according to the news, according to the people, I'm not there, I don't know her, they not work. So this one is thing that you work. You're forgetting that the way you are left men start following your nyash. It can also leave you and start following another person nyash. Unless on about the one that get separate when you got a cheat on eBay. Because a cheater can never allow to be cheated. Yes. Some people say Mercy Johnson also married somebody's husband. I want to ask you a question. Since Mercy Johnson married somebody's husband, how many times have you seen Mercy Johnson coming outside social media talking about her marriage or using her husband to pepper the S? Have you? No. So Jude Austin did everything wrong. Even when she said she put for bed, she couldn't wait. This is the time. Camila Chuku died. This woman come out. Camila Chuku die and she have a new baby. They come and start jubilating, dancing and celebrating. Telling the whole world that Chuku I love Kai. Chuku I love Kai. As you go for the labor room and come out, as if that labor room is not the same thing many people are going and coming out by God's grace, not anybody power. He was saying, Chuku I love Kai. Hindi me kekane kele Chuku. Tell me, how is it going to stop when this woman will remember all this humiliation, all this abuse, all these insults? How can it going to stop? It's not possible. So the dragging continues until Jesus confesses and says what is going on. So if you're a married man, please, I beg you, Adadiche begging you, go and watch my videos in my Facebook page, Adadiche Blog TV too. Go and learn from there, from me. You will see a lot of video that will interest you. So try and go watch it and learn so that you will stay and keep your things well. You package yourself. When you're married. First your home. That thing that you're going to be using to share to people, give it to your wife, let it look very fresh and beautiful. It's very, very important. Never you try to say, let me go and try. Let me go and try. Because you never know who you want to try with. So some people also said, what about Regina Daniel? Say Regina Daniel, is it not sister wife? Yes, it used to be sister wife. That person, that one case, I know they like to put my mouth. I don't like everything concern anything at all. I don't want to talk about it, but why I want to mention his name is that I remember when the Moko is married to Regina Daniel, and he said it openly in public that Regina Daniel might not be the last because he likes women a lot. He likes having a lot of women, a lot of children. He specified it to everyone. And he is not a Christian, according to the research I made. He's not a Christian, he's a Muslim. According to them, Muslims can marry as much as them. So now you is trying to emulate that I'm an Igbo man, I can marry as much I want. Fine and good and fine. You an Igbo man can marry much as, but did you marry in court law, in the law of courts? Did you marry in a church? So if you marry in the courts, you don't have any rights to marry as much as you can. That is what is holding you on. So, and that is the reason why this is the part of the reason. So this part of this is very, very difficult for the matter to be settled. If the Delilah, the person that is among them, did not separate herself. So those people you are using to give example, they have many times they come into social media, begin dragging or responding to people or begin doing something stupid. No, none of them. They marry and enter, even when people are dragging them, say all kinds of things, they will not reply. They will carry all the whole thing and go and keep it. They will never reply. Because second wife, I know, supposed to compete to make a husband love her, which it also do, not to pepper the other one. And before you get married, second wife, whatever, your first wife have to know your plan. If there's anything you guys needed to bring second wife. So this is a lot of mistake a lot of people do today. So if you're a man and you do such a thing, stop it. It's not going to help you. So I want all of you to use this judy matter and Yul and me Edochie to know yourself, because sometimes it may enter, to come as the problem. So my people, that is the reason why it's not going to the dragging, it's not going to stop until Judy says something that everybody will hear, because they don't overdo. It will do. They will do. Do you think that Yul Edochie children from me will forgive this man? Do you think that it's going to be easy for them to forgive this man? So my people, I think I have come to conclusion of this video today. So I have answered your questions. For those of you that asked the question, Why Jude also have been dragged for past how many years now? Is he the only one that have married to a second wife or third wife? Yes, he's not the only one, but let's have stop this kind of things because it doesn't what they are doing is childish acts, childish to things. I never see this kind of thing that you are the one that somebody saw right take them away. You are the same person are coming to social media dancing and singing hallelujah. Who does that? Who does that? So it doesn't work like that. You are not doing well. So that is why it's not going to stop until these two people you realize what he's doing because he doesn't know what is to look at. He's kissing public. This the same person said that also is not his wife. He denied it in the court of law, and now you see what they're doing. Tell me how it's going to stop. No way. So by God's grace, that's and when you will realize all this, you will never believe that he is the one that did all this. So I still ask how their children, how is going to feel? They don't think about their children welfare. They don't think about how these children are going to feel tomorrow if they see all this we are doing. Or did they support you? So guys, I will stop here. I'll continue next time. So this is the reason why, and then I think I have answered your question. For those of you that are saying that it also have been dragging for years, why? This is the reason why. If you know that you have found and love her so much, you believe and trust what she did, you support her, talk to her, talk to them, two of them. Let them get common sense because the children are watching. It before the children forgive, it's very difficult. Okay, guys. So see you guys next time in my video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Month once again. Today is first day of November 2024. I love you guys. See you again. Thank you for my. If you have any question or any contribution, just drop it in the comment section. We are going to read your comment and get back to you. Thank you so much. We love you. Ciao. Bye bye. Ciao.